Good morning, California. Kevin Oliver here. And if you're thinking about owning a rental property, let's talk basics. You'll want to understand cap rate, cash on cash return, and expenses like vacancy, maintenance, property management, and insurance. A $2,000 a month rental might not cash flow if taxes, HOA, and repairs eat up the margin. But with the right analysis, you can build long term wealth, especially here in California's tight market. DM me rental, and I'll send you my new investor starter kit. Passive income isn't passive until the numbers make sense. And that's your California investing insight from Good Morning California.